The middle falls of Gooseberry Falls State Park spill over rugged volcanic rock in a stunning multi-tiered cascade, captured here in a close-up perspective that emphasizes texture, movement, and detail. The water's smooth flow contrasts against the dark stone, while surrounding greenery adds depth and natural color. Rendered in a watercolor stylized finish, this image transforms one of Minnesota's most visited state park landmarks into a piece of fine art. Located along Lake Superior's scenic North Shore, Gooseberry Falls is renowned for its accessibility, layered cascades, and year-round beauty. The Middle Falls offer a unique vantage point where visitors can feel the energy of the water up close, making it a favorite subject for collectors of nature imagery. Photographer Cheri Alguire captured this scene on location and applied her signature digital watercolor process to create a richly textured poster for her park series. This close-up composition is ideal for adding both visual movement and a touch of the Northwoods to living rooms, offices, or cabins. Printed on archival-grade materials, it is available in multiple formats including paper, canvas, metal, and acrylic to suit a range of decor styles.